Nice Sunday morning, no crime. What are we PMP are you doing so? As a hero, I am entitled to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. We're gonna need God for that one. Psalms 151 says, whether you use JLP or you use PMP, Corona shall win this election.
Coronavirus!
And make sure you have your alcohol and your mask, put it on.
And Psalm 23 says, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Hello? Jesus on the telephone, tell him what you need.
Jesus, please can I get some money, a car, and a bike? I don't want any toys because I have enough of them. Thank you.
You see them no normally read the back of the Bible. It says, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall want everything as long as I am willing to work for it.